Welcome to our Brownfield Analysis Showcase. In this video, we'll show how you can use greenfieldanalysis.com to improve your existing supply chain at minimal cost. First, we'll navigate to greenfieldanalysis.com and click Try the Demo, then click Brownfield Demo. You can see our starting data has 10 distribution centers and shows our customer demand and demand distance costs to meet our customer needs. If you toggle between the brownfield and proposed model, you can see we can cut down our distance to meet demand by almost half, just by better organizing our existing infrastructure. We can also experiment with closing distribution centers and see proposed more ideal locations for future distribution. When we're happy with our model, we can click on Assignments to view and export our results. We can import this data to Excel, and we have everything we need to make informed decisions and get the best possible outcomes. Thanks for coming along for this tutorial to see how our Brownfield tools can help your supply chain efforts. Visit greenfieldanalysis.com. Or if you're looking at building new infrastructure, take a look at our Greenfield tutorial.